I'm an application engineer working with the engineering services group. I engineer the controls that go into the mechanical equipment. SmartEdge is a company that offers a lot of diverse solutions. We work on engineering and designing control systems. We also have a networking division. We do energy services, we do paybacks and calculations and energy analysis of buildings. One of the things I like most is that the fact that I get to control a project from start to end, determine exactly what the engineer and what the building owner wants, and then what I'm able to do is sort of breathe life into that system by putting the right controls in the right places and networking them all together to bring them all up to function. Hey Ed. What we've done is we've taken the design that I've put together here, and what we're doing is we're in the process of writing the software so that the controller runs. What Ed's been able to do here is by the drawings put together by me, Ed's created a graphic where the customer is going to be able to interface with very few buttons and maintain the quality of control that they want. My manager, some project managers in our company, and also some of our automation specialists out in the field are all Alfred State graduates. And all the Alfred graduates that I work with are fantastic. They all are very good at their jobs, and they all seem to have the same work ethic. I think collectively as a group, I think the faculty had an impact on me. I think every faculty member brought something that was unique and different. Some actually owned their own businesses, some actually worked in industry. That was a very unique thing about Alfred, as I thought, is that every professor knew exactly who I was. They knew my name. They probably knew my grades off the top of their head. What's the voltage on the duct heater? I think Alfred State really gave me the experience of what it would be like to be working. Partially because it wasn't just sit down, have someone talk at you for an hour. It's one thing to look at it in a textbook, but it's another thing to actually hold it in your hand or actually break it in a laboratory. It's a totally different experience. When I started looking for my job, one of the first things I did is I went to the Career Development Center, and I got my resume put together. It was about 2 or 3 months before graduating. I had a job offer in hand and signed and was ready to go, which was a huge relief because I didn't have to do any job searching when I was all done.